In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to allow other Weebly users to edit your website. This process is really helpful if you're looking to collaborate on your site's design or management with others. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly by visiting their official website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, just type Weebly into your browser and it'll pop right up. Once you land on the homepage, locate the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure it's the same credentials you used to set up your Weebly account. Once that's done, click on log in. You're now in and it's time to move on to the good stuff. You'll find yourself on the dashboard overview page. From here, direct your attention to the left hand side of the screen. You're looking for the website tab, go ahead and click on it. Now hit the edit site button, which should take you right into editing mode for your chosen website. You might feel a sense of empowerment seeing your site in edit mode, and that's what we're here for, making sure it's all set up the way you want. Next up, look at the navigation options typically situated at the top of your screen. Find the settings tab and give it a click. This is where you can tweak various aspects to tailor the site to your preferences. But for our purpose today, find the editors option. That's our golden ticket. After clicking on editors, you'll see an option to add editor. This is the feature you'll use to invite another person to co-edit your site. At this point, you'll need the email address of the person you're granting editing access to. Input their email into the appropriate field. When that's done, you'll want to adjust permissions. By default, it might give them limited access, but you can elevate their permissions by clicking on the admin option under the permission settings. Be thoughtful about this choice. Admin rights provide the ability to make significant changes. Once you've added the email and set the permissions, press Save Editor to lock in these changes. And that's it, you've successfully allowed another Weebly user to collaborate on your website. This seamless process enables you to work cooperatively, whether that's with a fellow business partner, a web developer, or a friend helping out on the project. Remember, collaboration is just a few clicks away, and with Weebly's straightforward interface, you've got all the tools you need to make website management a breeze. Now you can team up and continue crafting that perfect website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.